guys, welcome again to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, kindly show some love by subscribing to my channel. Okay, and if you are a returning subscriber, I say a very big thank you. Okay, so without wasting much time, I want to show us this simple neckline. Okay, how to cut this beautiful neckline. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get your basic bodies. Okay, you get your basic bodies like so. Okay, so after you must have drafted your basic bodies. Okay, so the next thing to do is you need to measure the neckline. Okay, 3 by 3. So I'm just gonna take 3 inches here. So the width will be 3 inches and the depth will also be 3 inches. So after doing that, next thing I'll just connect. Okay, so after doing this, okay, so what I'll do is from that 3 inches depth, you know, from here to here is 3 inches. So from this depth, I'm going to go down. Okay, I'm going to go down further by 2.5 inches. So sorry for the noise, please. So I'll go down by 2.5 inches. This is my 2.5 inches. Okay, so after going down by 2.5 inches, I will further this by 2.5 inches. So from this point, I will go in by 1 inch. Okay, so I'll just take my tape rule and measure in 1 inch. So next thing, I'm going to draw a line like this. So after drawing my line, next thing I'll do, I'll come to my shoulder. Okay, that's where the neck width ends. You know, this is my neck width, 3 inches. Okay, so from this point, all I need to do is I will mark 2 inches in. So you come here, just mark 2 inches. So this is where my 2 inches gets to. So from these 2 inches, so what I will do is I'm going to connect a straight line. I will match it up from this point. I'm going to connect it to this point like this. It's as simple as that. Okay, so after doing this, so the next thing is I would have to connect then connect a straight line to meet with the 1 inch mark. So this is the 1 inch mark. From this point, connect it to meet with this point. Okay, so after getting this point, next thing is I'm going to use my curve ruler to connect from the armhole. Okay, from this armhole region. So just take your curve ruler, so just take your curve ruler and simply connect it like this. You can see the way I'm doing it. So this way I am done with this beautiful neckline. Okay, so all I need to do is just to simply cut it out. This neckline, it's so easy to cut and very beautiful. You can use it for your gown. Okay, you can use it for your gown. You can use it to cut as blouse. So it all depends on what you want. Okay guys, so this is it. You can also decide to cut it out totally. Okay, you can decide to cut it out totally. So next thing, you transfer this to your fabric. When you want to transfer to your fabric, don't forget you have to add your sewing allowance. Okay, you can also go ahead to detach this from this. Okay, so you sew it separately and join it together, or you just use it to cut your fabric like this, and you cut a lining for it and you use it to turn it. Okay, so it's as simple as ABC. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as to get notified each time I upload new videos. See you in my next video. It's bye for now. Bye.